Hi everybody, this is eBay Depot with another video of a Kickstarter project called Kepler. I just got the box today and it looks something like this. It was a smart gas detector that reports to your phone. I think it's a fire alarm as well. Over here it says CO detector, remote alarm. You can use as a timer if you rotate it in the right way. Grading alarm for the gas in the house. There you go, timer function, and it's a portable design, so you can move around the house too. You can move it wherever you're cooking or staying. So this is what the box looks like. Let's dig in inside. Okay. All right, there's the unit itself. Just put it to the side for now. And take this out. Over to the side here, we've got the mounting screws for the wall. Got the adapter for the power. USB. We've got the cable, micro USB cable, and at the end here we've got a little manual on how to use it and your warranty card. And here's the base for the unit that goes onto the wall where the unit will stay. And this is what it looks like. So the unit has this port behind it, and it makes contact and just sits on it. It's magnetic. And that's it. And this is rotatable. I believe it has a speaker around here, and it has some kind of sensor here where maybe you can wave your hand in front of it. This, again, was a video for the Kickstarter project called Kepler. Thanks for watching. This has been an unboxing of Kepler by eBay Depot.